Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to overclock your Casio FXC Geek series calculator. You're going to need a mini USB to USB cable, your calculator, and your computer. Plug your calculator in and then press F1. Your Casio calculator will show up in your file explorer as an untitled drive. Open it up and then move the G3A file you downloaded from the link in the description onto your calculator. When you're done, press EXE, then Exit, and then Menu. Open Ptune 3 from your menu. Advanced users can use these settings. For quick overclocking, just use the F keys. Notice the speed right now for these scores, and then as you increase, the scores go much higher. This indicates higher performance for your calculator. Notice how smooth this NES emulator is running. This is because we've increased the speed of our calculator. You can find a video about this NES emulator on my channel, and there is also one about Game Boy emulation too.